Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to 1 over z. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 1 over z squared dz. So this one I will change for x. About the x, we change by this one. Now we need to simplify 1 over z on numerator and denominator. So this one will go to denominator. Now about z, go inside about the square root. And you got about z squared. So z squared multiplied by 4 over z and 1 over z squared. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to this one, and later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of t squared, we have 2t dt. First derivative of z, you got about number 1, so we have 4. First derivative of negative number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by t. This z we change by t over 2 dt. So t divided by t, we have number 1. The integration of dt, we have t and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. About z, that is about this one, so I will put about z go to the left, s will go to the right. So we need to change z into 1 over x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.